Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking down the objective and minimum dataset size. Explain why this matters. Models learn what you measure. Once you have a clear label schema, sample and clean 1, 0, 0, 0, 10, 0, 0, 0 examples. Make sure to split into train/val/test immediately. While you prepare, pick a simple architecture and lightweight framework so you can iterate fast. You should set up a reproducible environment and install necessary packages. This saves hours later when you tweak. Now you build a basic training pipeline and explain how it flows: data loader, augmentation, model, optimizer, and scheduler. Use transfer learning to leverage pre-trained weights. This reduces data needs and speeds convergence. Make sure to monitor validation loss and accuracy. Early stopping prevents overfitting. Once training starts, save checkpoints and keep a consistent metric log so you can compare runs. If performance stalls, adjust batch size or learning rate. Small changes often yield big gains. Finish by evaluating thoroughly. Generate a confusion matrix, check edge cases, and measure latency and memory. You should export the model in a deployable format and run a small integration test to validate inputs and outputs. Once deployed, monitor live metrics and set alerts for performance drops. If things go wrong, first inspect data drift and label quality, then try recalibrating the learning rate or fine-tuning with more representative samples. This targeted troubleshooting usually restores expected behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.